So how do we trade the Baltic Dry Index? Well, thanks to Wall Street and their inavailability and disastrous policies, we will always have a trading instrument, whether it comes in the form of an ETF, a stock, or an index. And here we have BDRY, Breakwave Dry Bulk Shipping ETF, which came out recently, a couple years ago. And I was always looking at the Baltic Dry Index, and now here it is. You can trade it. Now you could trade shipping companies like G&K or all those other type of small shipping companies. But hey, why not have exposure to the index? It's $5, guys. So the reason it's $5 and not $20 or more is because the Fed is fighting an inflationary fire, if you will, and they have to put out this inflationary fire. And as you can see in this correlation of U.S. Fed funds rate, which is the interest rate, compared to the Baltic Dry Index, you can see that because of high rates, the Baltic Dry Index has suffered, as well as giving the Fed the ability to bring down inflation, at least temporarily. As you can see also, the commodity index has come down, but not as much as the Baltic Dry Index. And for $5, hey, this could be a long-term great investment. I know I have it in one of my portfolios, and it could go to $1, it could go to $0, but hey, I'm in it for the long run, and as the cliche goes, I'm not worried about the short-term moves. So yeah, the Baltic Dry Index has a very good correlation with China, iron ore, shipping, inflation, and when rates are high, unfortunately, it has come down because of the Fed fighting inflation. And as you can see here, iron ore went to $225 in 2021, and as soon as the Fed started putting out that inflationary fire, it's come down a lot. For $5, trading BDRY is a great way to get into this index. Not recently being able to have been trading it a long while back ago. Now you can trade it. BDRY. It's $5. It was $4 when COVID came and crashed the markets, and then it went up to $22. And now it's back at $5 after the inflationary caused by COVID to have the Fed react and fight this inflationary fire. And here we are back at $5. It's a great investment, and I think the future holds more inflation pressures, and I don't think the Fed will be able to stop them.